Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right. So for this problem, we are given this circuit. Hold on. We have the capacitor here, and there is a capacitor, and there is extra one C3. So this is C3, this is C1, and the upper one is upper one C2. And the voltage across the circuit is V. And we know the parameters. C1 is 10 microfarads, C2 is 5, and C3 is 15. Okay, and the voltage is 100 volts. So the question is, we want to find out the parameters for the C1, C2, and C3. So basically, we need to find out the voltage across C1, C2, C3, and the charge stored on them, and also the energy stored in them. So to figure this out, we can analyze this C1, C2 firstly, because we can see that these two, they are connected in parallel. So C12 will be equal to C1 plus C2, right? And then we can find out the voltage distributed on C3. Basically, it's V3 will be equal to V times C12 plus C3, and the numerator will be C12. Okay. So this value actually gives you 50 volts, and the Q3 actually equal to V3 times C3 according to the definition of the capacitance. So this equal to 7.5 times 10 to negative 4 coulombs. And energy stored in C3 is U3, which equal to half C3 times V3 squared. Okay, so the value is 1.88 times 10 to the negative 2 joules. And similarly, we can find out the voltage across C1, C2, because C1, C2, they are connected in parallel. So the voltage across C1 is V1. V1 equal V2 equal V times C3, C12 plus C3, okay? So this value also equal to 50 volts. And you can find out the Q1 equal C1 times V1. So this value is 5 times 10 to negative 4 coulombs. And and U1, which is the energy stored in C1, is half C1 times V1 squared. So the value is 1.25 times 10 to negative 2 joules. And this Q2 is C2 times V2, right? So the value is hold on. So the value is 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4 joules, and the U2 equal half C2 times V2 squared, right? So the value is 6.25 times 10 to the negative 3 joules. Okay.